15 of the best Northeast native woodland plants. Native Northeast woodland plants are some of the most beautiful and ecologically valuable species native to the northeastern United States. Adapted to dappled light, rich forest soils, and seasonal moisture, these plants bring texture, layered beauty, and wildlife support to shaded landscapes. Native woodland species also help recreate the calm, natural feel of northeastern forests, while requiring less maintenance once established. 1. Trillium. Trillium grandiflorum and related species. Trilliums are iconic northeastern woodland wildflowers known for their elegant three-petaled blooms and graceful foliage. Blooming in early spring, they thrive in rich, moist woodland soils and slowly naturalize over time. Their understated beauty makes them highly prized in native shade gardens. 2. Jack-in-the-pulpit Erythema triphyllum. This unusual woodland native is recognized for its hooded flower structure and clusters of bright red berries in fall. It thrives in moist woodland conditions and adds strong visual interest to shaded gardens and forested landscapes. 3. Virginia bluebells, Mertensia virginica. Virginia bluebells produce soft pink buds that open into delicate sky blue flowers in early spring. They naturalize beautifully beneath deciduous trees and pair exceptionally well with ferns and other spring ephemerals. 4. Foamflower, Tiarella cordifolia. Foamflower forms dense mats of attractive foliage topped with airy white flower spikes in spring. It works beautifully as a native woodland ground cover and thrives in moist, shaded conditions. 5. Wild columbine, Aquilegia canadensis. One of the best woodland plants for attracting hummingbirds, wild columbine produces delicate red and yellow flowers that sway gracefully above blue-green foliage. It tolerates dry shade better than many woodland natives. 6. Christmas fern, Polystichum acrosticoides. This durable evergreen fern provides year-round texture and structure in woodland gardens. Its deep green fronds remain attractive through winter, making it valuable for four-season landscapes. 7. Bloodroot, Sanguinaria canadensis. Bloodroot is an early spring ephemeral producing brilliant white flowers before many trees fully leaf out. Its deeply lobed foliage and short bloom period make it a treasured woodland native. 8. Solomon's seal, Polygonatum biflorum. Graceful arching stems and dangling bell-shaped flowers give Solomon's seal a refined woodland appearance. It spreads slowly through rhizomes and provides elegant texture in shaded plantings. 9. Woodland phlox, Phlox divaricata. Woodland phlox forms drifts of fragrant blue-purple flowers in spring and thrives in lightly shaded woodland edges. It attracts butterflies and blends beautifully with ferns and spring wildflowers. 10. Wild ginger, Osarum canadense. A low-growing native ground cover with large heart-shaped leaves, wild ginger creates dense colonies in rich woodland soil. It is valued more for its foliage texture than its hidden flowers. 11. Dutchman's breeches, Dicentra cucullaria. This charming spring ephemeral produces delicate white flowers resembling tiny upside-down pants. It naturalizes in rich, deciduous woodlands and provides important early nectar for pollinators. 12. Maidenhair fern, Adiantum pedatum. One of the most elegant native ferns, maidenhair fern features delicate fan-shaped fronds held on dark stems. It thrives in moist woodland soils and adds a refined, airy texture to shade gardens. 13. Hepatica, Hepatica nobilis. Hepatica blooms very early in spring, often before trees leaf out fully. Its lavender, pink, or white flowers provide one of the first signs of life in northeastern forests. 14. Partridgeberry, Mitchella repens. This creeping evergreen ground cover produces tiny white flowers followed by bright red berries that persist into winter. It thrives in acidic woodland soils and provides year-round interest. 15. Blue cohosh, Cauliphyllum thalictroides. Blue cohosh is a striking woodland perennial valued for its unusual blue-green foliage and dark berries. It thrives in rich forest soils and contributes bold texture to native woodland plantings. Why native Northeast woodland plants matter. Northeastern woodland plants evolved within the layered ecosystems of eastern forests and provide essential habitat, nectar, and food sources for native wildlife. Their deep ecological relationships with insects, birds, fungi, and soil systems make them critical components of healthy forest environments. These plants also offer tremendous ornamental value. By combining spring ephemerals, ferns, native ground covers, and shade-tolerant perennials, gardeners can create landscapes filled with seasonal beauty, natural texture, and ecological resilience. Unlike many exotic shade plants, native woodland species are naturally adapted to northeastern conditions, making them more sustainable and often easier to maintain over time. Thank you for watching and spending a few moments exploring the incredible world of nature and natural landscapes with us. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more, we invite you to visit our website, www.woodsidegardens.net, and follow our Facebook page. Greenscape app for additional plant guides, landscape inspiration, seasonal gardening tips, educational resources, and our Greenscape landscape design application. Whether you are building a woodland garden, creating a pollinator habitat, restoring native landscapes, or simply looking for beautiful and sustainable plants for your property, we are here to help inspire your journey. Thank you again for supporting native plants, sustainable landscapes, and the beauty of the natural world. We look forward to growing with you.